Plan fundraisers for private schools. For many schools, especially private ones, fundraising is the key to obtaining extra money for schools. This money may be used to purchase recreation and technology equipment, to fund field trips, and to purchase extra books and other school-related supplies. In order to run a successful fundraiser for your private school, consider the following tips. Organization is key. Before you can set a goal or even begin organizing, you must get organized. You'll need to divide your organization into groups and assign certain people to head each group. These people will be responsible for seeing that all parts of their particular duty in the fundraising are handled efficiently. Delegating responsibilities is the best way to begin a successful fundraiser for your private school. Responsibilities. In every community there are those individuals who are talented in various areas. Some may be wonderful at working the phone, while others may be more adept at organizing supplies to deliver. The leaders of the fundraiser should make every effort to understand the strengths and weaknesses of their committees and delegate duties and responsibilities accordingly. Choosing a product. The ultimate goal of a successful private school fundraiser is to make money, so choosing a sellable product is very important. Do your homework. Take a look at several products. Find out how marketable the product is and how much money you can realistically make. Consider the economics of the area in which you are marketing the product. Will your customers be younger people, or can the product actually be used by a variety of people with different ages? Keep in mind that many of the students will ask grandparents, aunts, and uncles to purchase whatever you are selling, as well as friends and neighbors, too. Set a goal. Every fundraiser needs a goal. Setting an accurate goal can be tricky, however. You want to shoot for as much money as possible, while at the same time you'll need to keep your fundraising goals realistic. Try to set up a chart in a well-traveled area, such as the lobby of your school. You can even set up several charts throughout the school, in the hallways, the gym, and beside the lockers. Be sure there is someone responsible for changing the charts as you head toward your goal. It's also a good idea to have specific equipment or supplies in mind that you will purchase with the money you raise. You can use this information as part of your sales pitch. Do some training. In many cases, people are simply handed the information about the product and told to get out there and sell. If possible, bring someone in from the product's company to help train people on how to make a sale. You can also enlist the help of someone else who has already completed this fundraiser, and ask them to relate a list of tips regarding sales techniques. Get everyone involved finally, enlist the help of as many people as possible, and this includes the students of the private school. This will allow them to feel a sense of ownership as they work for their school. It will also instill in them a feeling of pride as you reach the ultimate goal. Quick tips: find a marketable product. Establish a goal. Stay organized. Useful links: fundraisers fundraiser help.